and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some vegan shortbread, so stay tuned and we'll get started on the recipe. So first of all, I've got my vegan butter, and to that I'm going to add my caster sugar. We'll leave the recipe link down in the description box if you do want to follow this along and make these shortbread yourself. And I'm just going to whisk those together. So now my butter and sugar are whisked together. I'm going to stir in my flour. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract just for a bit of flavouring. So you could also use some cinnamon if you wanted to, or some other spices. It's just preference, I'm using vanilla here. And I'll give that a little stir. And I'm just going to go in with my hand just to clump it all together. So now my mixture's all together in one dough bowl. I'm just going to give everything a quick wash down, and I'll meet you back in a minute just when we're ready to roll out. I'm using a round circle cutter. You could actually use something like this or a fluted one where it's got the decorative bits on it. And also, why not make these with a decorative shaped cookie cutter, so something like hearts for Valentine's Day coming up, or if you want to just use your favourite themed characters. I have made these before with Star Wars themed cutters and they did turn out really well. So now I've cut out my shortbread rounds, I'm going to pop them onto a pre-lined baking tray. So now I'm going to repeat the process again and put some more flour down, roll out and cut more rounds out until I've used all my dough and it's all on my trays. So now my rounds are all cut out, I'm just going to take some sugar and sprinkle it over the top of them. And then I'm going to pop these trays into the fridge for 20 minutes so the shortbread can chill, so when it bakes it doesn't spread out too much. And I'll see you in 20 minutes to get them in the oven. So they're going to go in at 190 for 15 to 20 minutes. So after 15 minutes I'll just come and check them. So now my shortbreads are baked. I'm just going to take them out the trays but leave them on the parchment paper and I'll pop them onto a wire rack. So that's the shortbread biscuits finished. I'm just going to leave them there to cool and then they'll be lovely with a cup of tea later. So I do hope you have enjoyed this video. Please do give it a like if you have. Don't forget you can click subscribe up here on the icon, or you can click down below in the description box and the bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos I post. And you can watch my previous baking videos just over here. Thank you for watching. Bye!